From this video, you will get tips to prepare for the FCP_FCT_AD 7.4 FCP FortiClient EMS 7.4 Administrator Exam. What is FCP, FortiClient EMS 7.4 Administrator? Exam details. Exam topics. Preparing for success. 1. How can an administrator apply endpoint policies based on invitation? A. Create security posture tags. B. Create separate endpoint profiles. C. Configure group assignment rules. D. Configure on fabric detection rules. Answer: C. 2. What is the purpose of a web server certificate in a FortiClient EMS deployment? A. It is used by FortiClient Web Filter extension to perform SSL inspection on web traffic. B. It is used for telemetry connection from FortiClient to FortiClient EMS. C. It is used to sign certificate requests from endpoints for Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA. D. It is used for communication with FortiGate as part of the security fabric. Answer: D. 3. You are the administrator of VPN infrastructure that is struggling with performance issues due to most of their workforce now working remotely. The security architecture team is evaluating Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, as a potential replacement for their aging VPN deployment. In what two ways does ZTNA differ from a conventional VPN? Choose 2. A. More resource intensive. B. Continuous trust check. C. Based on network layer. D. Uses an access proxy. Answer: B, D. 4. An administrator must provide web access to a Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, server hosted behind FortiGate. Which configuration must the administrator perform to achieve this outcome? A. Add web server to the ZTNA destination's endpoint profile on FortiClient EMS. B. Create a standard firewall policy with ZTNA web server as the destination. C. Manually install a ZTNA client certificate on the endpoint. D. Configure a ZTNA server on FortiGate with service HTTPS. Answer: D. 5. The security team must ensure that it uses the security posture information of an endpoint as part of the dynamic security policy's matching criteria. Which two pieces of information do endpoints provide in telemetry data to fabric devices? Choose 2. A. Resource utilization. B. OS version. C. Vulnerability information. D. Bandwidth. Answer: B, D. 6. Which configuration on FortiGate quarantines the endpoint in a security fabric indicator of compromise, IOC, deployment? A. Active connectors. B. Endpoint profile. C. Playbooks. D. Automation stitch. Answer: D. 7. Which two statements about how full privileged access management, PAM, works with FortiClient are correct? Choose 2. A. FortiClient EMS must have the FortiPAM add-on license applied. B. Privileged access management must be enabled in the system settings endpoint profile. C. FortiClient installer must have Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, and FortiPAM features enabled. D. A FortiPAM standalone agent must be installed on the endpoint. Answer: B, C. 8. What is preventing FortiClient from registering with FortiClient EMS? A. FortiClient could not reach the EMS server FQDN. B. FortiClient user verification failed. C. The FortiClient license expired. D. FortiClient could not connect to the EMS server on port 8013. Answer: A. 9. Which two authentication methods are used for user verification on FortiClient EMS? Choose 2. A. Radius. B. SAML. C. Local. D. TACAX. Answer: B, C. 10. Why was the traffic denied access to the Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, server? A. The endpoint compliance status changed. B. The FortiClient endpoint did not provide a client certificate. C. The traffic matched a ZTNA deny policy. D. The client certificate was revoked. Answer: B. Subscribe and like past question.